It's a 2018 Honda HR-V. Is it an SUV, hatchback, or compact? Yes, and it's in a category all its own. And it comes with all the amenities you need. Continuously variable automatic transmission, front heated leather bucket seats, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, smart vent seat-mounted airbag, driver and passenger heated seat back, power heated mirrors, integrated navigation system, power sliding and tilting sunroof, smart entry key, and i4 engine. Kelley Blue Book explains the HR-V aims to do more with less and largely succeeds thanks to its easy driving manners, good fuel economy, and bigger than you'd think interior. Honda's created some of the most admired vehicles on the planet. Experience it for yourself today.
Welcome to your comfort zone. Honda of Tenafly. We're conveniently located minutes away from Route 4, Route 9W, and the Palisades Interstate Parkway.